How many days did you use?
1 week.
This is good.
Sure. Cocoly fertilizer is really good. If want to grow strong peanuts, Cocoly granular water-soluble fertilizer is needed. One plant grows 24.
How about Cocoly?
Good.
With Cocoly, the tomato is more delicious than mine, juicy and good taste.
Why do you visit Cocoly factory?
My neighbors use the Cocoly and I come here also. I planted many fields now.
Which crops?
Peanut and soybean. Other growers' crops used Cocoly are better than mine. The leaves are thick and green.
So you came to the factory today.
Yes, I came with the team.
How about Cocoly factory?
Factory environment is very good. Computer controlled the production. All process is finished by automatic machines. Fewer workers here, really advanced. I used the Cocoly on peanut and made comparison with NPK. Cocoly effect is obvious and no dead seedlings. Leaves are green and black. With NPK fertilizers, the leaves are yellow and the seedlings are weak. So Cocoly effect is outstanding. Other growers' peanuts have fruit rot disease. My peanuts didn't have any pests and diseases. China first granular water-soluble fertilizer Cocoly started in 2013.
中国的巧克力，世界的 Cocoly。